Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Fortnite compatible GPU problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, right click on Fortnite and then go to properties and then compatibility, and after that once you're here click run compatibility troubleshooter, and then click try recommended settings and then click test program, and you will find that your problem is fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Type here view advanced system settings, and after that once you're here click settings and then click advanced, change. Now turn off this option and go to custom size and type here 1024, and here in second one multiply 1024 with how many GB RAM you have in your PC. Like if you have 8 GB RAM, just multiply it with 8. And now just type it here, click set and then click OK, and after that OK and OK again, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.